Vauxhall or Opel Corsa C, removing the front bumper. You've got, don't know if it's going to be visible, there's one each side, bolt like that for the Torx head. There's one, there's the plug for the fog lights. Then there's 3 little plastic rivets inside those holes. Yeah, so you have to pull them out because they pry open the plastic pieces. Once you've removed those, you move on to the sides. We've got one that sits there, which is a T20 bolt. The Torx T20 size as the ones underneath it, and there's another one which sits in a welder here. I'm not sure if you can see this, probably not, but it's directly there in a little recess, basically holding that up off the top. They're all 8mm. Two on each headlight, obviously. Like 8mm as well. Once all are out, pull this up, move it off the car. And just pull these. Pry it off each side. The bumper. Comes off. When the bumper's off, there's only then one little nut, well, bolt, holding the headlight. Take that out. The headlight comes out. Disconnect the headlight. Then pull it out a little bit if you want. Put that flathead under this. Pry it up, and this should come off. That's it.
It is